Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Then again 9 divided by 9 is equal to also 1. Now 1 divided by 1 is equal to also 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS P E MDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also, addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now here is division, and also here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. 1 divided by 9 divided by 9. Okay. Now 1 divided by 9 can be written as 1 by 9 divided by 9. Okay. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 1 by 9 as it is same. Okay, so here write 1 by 9 as it is same 1 by 9. C means change this division to multiplication. Okay, and F means flip this last 9 by 1. Here is nothing, so we can write as 1. Okay, so change this, flip this fraction. 9 by 1 is equal to 1 by 9. Okay, is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, divide 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. So the correct answer is 1 by 81. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.